One of the things that CAB is doing when it comes to invasive species management is on how to manage these invasive species using nature-based solutions. And so over the years, CAB has been promoting the use of nature-based solutions such as biocontrol, where we seek to ensure that we're using less and less of pesticides and more of these solutions that don't impact the environment. So we've been promoting parasitoids and predators to manage these invasive species. But also when it comes to biopesticides, we're also promoting the use of products based on fungi, bacteria, viruses, and others to be able to manage this pests. Our thinking is that when we use more and more of these nature-based solutions, we're able to manage pests over the longer term, conserve the environment, conserve our pollinators, and also benefit human health. So Uganda is a member country of CAB. And so by virtue of being a member of CAB, we have an obligation to provide services to the country. So when it comes to invasive species management, CAB has been on the forefront of supporting the stakeholders in the country to manage these species. One of them has been through improving horizon scanning, where we're able to predict what are some of these threats that are likely to impact the country now and in the future, and how we can, knowing these species, how we can then work together to prevent them from coming here. Also, we're looking at surveillance, where we put in place systems to see where to know where these species have come into the country, see where the hotspots are for this space, and be able to manage them in those areas where they've been detected. We're also supporting the country in terms of building capacity for using nature-based solutions, such as awareness about use of biopesticides, because many farmers don't know how biopesticides work, and so because of that, they don't use them as often as they should. And so building awareness about how these biopesticides can be used for pest management is also very critical for us. And also, basically, general critical awareness about how these invasive species are impactful, ensuring that farmers and communities play a role in surveillance, passive surveillance. Sometimes when an invasive species are infected the country, it takes a long time for the national system to know that these invasive species have come. But if involve the farmers and stakeholders in this approach, where we can obtain surveillance data, we can know that these pests have come in and can be able to identify the hotspots and go and tackle them at the hotspots where they've been identified.